Welcome to the mini park close to our home. Charot!
Look, the wildflower, they are already growing.
Oy, din kaning baw si Nini. Grabe si Nini. Ayaw na pag-bike diha day. Kay makakabangga ng mga bata, huy. Baw. Where is she? She's there. Watch out, ah! She's there.
Closer. Ikaw na pa yun sa na.
Oo, sige. Hoy, di ka ba undak? Baw, si Manang. She's enjoying. So we are here in the mini park, guys. It's, I think, by bicycle. Where's my bicycle? 10 minutes from our home. This is a many park.
Kita dahil dua.
Beng, saan ka na dumaan? Oy.
Look at the flower. Mga ano yan?
Hala no? Nagbu na naman lagi bulak. Churik. Agparay no plastida na siya. Ambot na siya ay dagabinuki. Pangita ang ka-problema. Welcome to the mini park close to our home. Charot!
Look, the wildflower, they are already growing.
They're slowly growing.
That means spring is
coming!
Yay! Oh.
So we went here by the bike.
The Japanese flower
Starts to bloom already. And makita ni mo diri lot mga mid-March or April. Ay, ang mga dahon tapos ang mga flower, grabe. So nice din mga color.
Ayan, purog-purog ba?
Bala ada. Sa may kalapate. I'm the vloggerist anyway. So we're going to... Ay, bidyan mo ko dito para may pang reels ako. Sige na.
Asa yung phone?
Kanira. Ay, naala sa akong bag. Sige. Ay, ikaw first. Kaya ako na nakahawid. Dari ka here. Hello, the Japanese flower day, oh.
Wala day, basi mamukuha ko dili day, dili ko maka-adto sa work tomorrow day.
Mag-careful ka. Ay, naog na lang kung ayaw mo. Kanaog na kung dili kong kaya.
Ay, kurog-kurog.
O, gani, dili na.
Bata lang mo magigiri.
Taka lang ka dira.
Pwede ko gyapon pang dagko.
Nami ilang park na rin no kay puro mga pang team building. Madali na.
Dalhan ta ka dito sa very big park tomorrow.
Libre? Dito sa...
May exercisean pag-id.
Sure ba? Pagdali na kay ako na pod. Nice kay ka-captured.
Magduyan sa ako ka-jot lang.
Nice kayo.
Hindi na-try sa Pilipinas eh.
Sa camping ang good ni sa camp.
Ay, sa camp. Yan, na-try ko pala sa camp. Tapos, mga classmates din, gakiat-kiat, kidamo mga boys. Diba?
Apil ka rin to.
With matching. Ba, pagukod-gukod. Ba, naugot mo ko naman.
Hindi ko naganahan ay
Maglabay, karang hapakon to gatong hotdog pelo.
tas mabalas lain ka.
Tapos agi-agi din sa mga boys ba, gakiat lang lain. Hala, dire dai oh. Dire ba?
Pila ka minutes pa ang YouTube. Mo day duwe kay ka mag-proceed sa kuha. Ranaan na gid siya, legit na jud siya.
Mahulog lagi karon di ka bro.
Naji mo excuse
Dali lang. Mahulog lagi ni karon.
Hala, ano gikataas? Hala, wala kay climbing. Di ka pwede sa adventure. No.
You cannot imagine lot. Nag-hiking kami ni Floren. Sige ko panago. Balikan niya na naman ko basta
Kay.
natago ko. Sige panawag. Shinin ka na dali eh.
Kay.
Grabe ganyan ang pasensya sa kuha.
Kay. Gapahulay ka?
Wala, gatago-tago lang ko. Para mabalik.
Hangin nun, nagpuday ka.
Dali lang.
Pang video, pang YouTube, gid ba?
Okay.
Wala pa dito.
Asa?
Dito ay. Sige na, wala ba? 15 minutes.
Uy, naano mo ko i-other na video.
Aroon ay bridge o gamay.
Na lang yan. Sige na.
Choose.
As you can see guys, here is a wildflower. So this is what I really like when the spring comes, because you can see the wildflower in the forest everywhere, and you can see the trees na nagsisilabasan na yung mga green leaf. So that's what I like during summer, which is, this is mid-March, and mid-March to April, in the mid-April as well, you can see a lot of cherry blossoms around Belgium. So this was taken near to our church guys. So every time we pass by places like there's a row of cherry blossoms, I see to it that we will stop by to take a photo. And this was in different places. This place is going to the market in Abattoir, so in Brussels. So we really stopped by just to take a photo, because you know it won't last. And as you can see, they are really beautiful. And this was
every day
near
has
to our
24
church.
hours.
So very beautiful.
Every day the sun
view
will
is from
rise and the
Ghent.
sun will fall.
This was
So
in
make
our
the
church.
most of that time.
There's beautiful cherry blossoms here, near to the church
Enjoy the
guys, in
little
Zelig
things.
in Brussels as well. And this is in Ghent. And another one, it's in near in our church. I really see to it guys that I will take a video, a souvenir, because it's this beautiful cherry blossom won't last really. It's just around March, end of March, and then May, April, I guess. So at the 3rd week of April, it will not stay like this anymore. The flowers will fall from the trees. So see to it that when it's the season, you should go and take a photo, take a souvenir, because yeah, it will not stay long, you know. So that's the beautiful cherry blossoms. I hope you enjoy it guys. This is only a short clips, but it's really beautiful, really nice. It's like we are in Japan. Actually, there's also a mini garden of Japanese here in Belgium, but haven't been there, so maybe we will visit one day, but not this time because we are late already. The cherry blossoms are already starting to fall, the flowers, huh? This is still in the church guys, first Sabbath of the month of April. So as you can see, super beautiful, diba? Yung mga flower, hindi pa sila naglalagasan. But you know, the next Sabbath, which is 2nd week of April, we pass by here again, because this is 1 minute walking distance from the church in Zelig, where we attended church. Naglalagasan na yung mga flowers. So, ayan. I hope you enjoyed guys. Thank you.